here to share with you the new product from the Stamp Market January 2025 product release. I'm pretty excited to bring you this large one-cut die. Gives you a standard size envelope that fits your A2 cards in one cut. This does require a larger die cut machine. This is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So as you can see, this die is pretty big. This is totally worth it. These dies do cost a little bit more because of the size, but it's completely a time saver and you're going to love it. I thought it would be fun to do some coordinating products. So we have this scalloped A2 card die, simply cuts cute scallop note cards, which have a score line so you know right where to fold them. And they line up, the scallops line up perfectly all the way around, giving you the sweetest little note cards for so many projects. Now you can add, if you like this look, you can add this fun scallop detail die. It has a word thanks and the shadow outline so you can layer up, perfectly sized for the center of those cards. But this little scallop detail does give the look of a little bit of that rickrack. This is a very trending thing for 2025. You're going to see a lot of this look. Bright colors, more primary colors, fun pops of very graphic elements. So I think you'll love these trio of products. They work together really well, and these create a nice staple for a lot of different projects. These look cute with so many different stamp sets and greetings, so a great base for your collection. Up next, we have the adorable new Bag of Hearts die. This is a large die, does fit through your standard die cut machine. You will need to cut two to create the basket. Simply score and glue together. Very easy to assemble. These are pretty good size. I mean, you can fit quite a bit in there, a larger treat. You can put some cards in there, add some fun tags. There's a lot of different ways you can use these, not only for Valentine's, but throughout the year. Up next, I want to show you our cute new keychain die and Key to My Heart stamp set. They are intended to coordinate. This stamp set can be used on its own, just in memory keeping or just on card fronts. This solid piece can be layered with this detail line and then stamp the greetings over the top, or you can stamp these into the die, the base die, and you can create shakers or just little keychain elements. These are sized perfectly for card fronts, and they also work great for cute tags, and seriously so cute for a little mini memory book or some memory keeping on a scrapbook page. So this is really a fun stamp set. We wanted to make sure it wasn't just love, and you could use this for your friends. Also just a sweet, I'd go anywhere with you, and just a little fun love and Valentine's. We will likely have a few little add-on greetings for this keychain later in the year. So such a fun set. The die, it includes the base and a shaker, a little key ring. Now that key ring has a little die, it comes cut so that you can attach the pieces that you want to add, little keys, and it can also go right inside the keychain, and you can add all those fun elements, mix and match whatever you like, whatever the color combinations and greetings you like. You're going to have so much fun creating with these. Before I move on, I just want to show you how cute you can add these to the little bag as well. Just so cute and fun as a little tag. I have some simple standalone dies. This is our heart film strip die. This will work great for memory keeping, small tags, backgrounds on cards. Look how cute this little 3x3 simple little bit of inset with some colored cardstock. This could be a fun element for memory keeping. Look at that on the card front. Add some extra greetings, create a shaker. So many fun ways to use this. I'll be sharing a little more. I want to do a little memory book with my granddaughters in this. It'll be so cute. So just a great little staple for your staff. For this release, we went with a daisy theme of different styles of products. I think you're going to love each one for its uniqueness. This is a fun watercolor daisy stamp set with a variety of greetings. It's a really great size. It definitely fills a card front. We stuck it in this little envelope, which would be so fun glued to the front of a card. And then hope this card brightens your day. It also comes with a coordinating stencil, making it really easy to color those images. If you don't want to do any watercoloring or with your markers, simply stencil those in. Makes for a really great stamp set. And look at all those bright and fun colors. And then the coordinating die, of course. Then we have our Delicate Daisy stamp set and coordinating die, which cuts out the images in the stamp set. And then we have the exact same images in a die form, so you can layer those up and make more texture and interest in your cards. Now mix and match these for a variety of looks on your cards. It's so fun when you see stamped backgrounds and then you layer up those die cut elements. Here it is, shown just as the die cut. So cute and fun, easy to use. That thanks is from the detail die. Then look at all those layered up using the greeting from the stamp set. Just adding to a card, little heart. And then here we are just stamped. The elements are super simple. You're really just stamping a center, and a couple of the centers have some detail, but there is no real layering of any detail lines or anything like that. It's just very simple graphic stamping. I really love all the possibilities with this, and I'll be creating so much more. I'm excited to just dive in and spend a weekend with that stamp set alone. Okay, now we have the cute Bloom Delight cover die. I love this idea of pre-designed arrangements for you. You simply die cut this. There is a trick. I die cut the whole thing in white, lay it down, and then I add the colors on top. It also gives it a little extra dimension. I've layered these up, so 2 of them, just to give it that extra pop. It's so cute, so fun. This will be amazing in so many colors. I love this because it has a real spring vibe, but really could have a nice summery feel as well. So I think you'll have fun with a variety of the florals. They're all very different, but speak to that friendly little daisy vibe. I almost forgot to mention how fun though this cover die. It allows you to create some dimensional florals that you can use in a variety of ways. So you kind of get 2 for 1 with that. We also created this 5x6 bow to full stamp set that has some cute little greetings that go with it. The reason that I created this set was so when you create little bouquets with those daisies, you can put a little ribbon with a cluster. This will work really well with the die cut pieces and also the stamped daisies as well. So super fun, or just use all the bows on a card front. I mean, how cute is that? So just another fun little element to have to add to your florals. Okay, last but not least, I want to share with you this fun little project. This is using a few new products from our release. So we have this new flip and fold die cut. It scores right here and then cuts the outline. And what that creates is a little element inside your cards that you can flip. It's like kind of a reverse, so you can even put elements on the back side. That way, I've just glued 2 panels together and die cut those in the center to create that. And for that, I've used our new Sweetheart silhouette, just some basic good hearts that you can use with a variety of projects. And then our new Amore stamp set, nice oversized modern greetings with the coordinating dies for each one of those. Now, sometimes it's nice just to get, if you have a lot of Valentine products, it's nice just to update a greeting set, give something a new fresh look. You can do a lot with just a greeting set and some basic shapes. So again, super fun elements that we have in this release. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that something inspired you. Be sure to head on over to our shop and you can see all the images close up. Have a great day and happy crafting.